Another day, another relaxing day, and we are here at Kovalam Beach. Today morning we started from Alappuzha. I might be pronouncing it wrong. It is I think Alappuzha, right? I think it is Alappuzha. And from there we started in the morning around 10 o'clock, and we reached here in Kovalam around 4:15 or 4:30, maybe after that. Every beach wheresoever we visited, either Cochin Beach, Alappuzha Beach, or this one, has its own, I should say, effect, transcending effect. On that beach the crowd was not there, but here crowd is there, so I think it will be a little bit more fun. That place was for peaceful minds probably, but here whosoever is adventurous sort, they can come here. And there are also some water sports activities also. Our friends inquired about water surfing, and they also have speed boating. And over there near the lighthouse, if you can see, some people are swimming over there. So that is the actual point where you can go and swim, and lifeguards will be there in case some mishap happens. This red flag means this area is quite dangerous for swimming, so one should not go for swimming around this area. So in Alappuzha we missed the sunset, but right now we are not gonna do that. Although the clouds over there might ruin our plans, but whatsoever, we'll see. We'll enjoy that. Let's see, let me show you. I think it was on zoom mode. Let me capture myself. And this trip is quite special for us because it is bachelor trip for Mr. Bhuvnesh Meena, the guy who is just relaxing and over there. It's a bachelor trip, and it's gonna be a memorable one because it has been 4 years since we passed out from our college, and our plans for just going for a trip had been postponing since then. It also happened that some people were not as enthusiastic. There was also a time when I was not enthusiastic to go on a trip, but this was the perfect timing. One of my projects was finished, my targets were finished, and I needed to relax to start new projects. So this seemed the perfect timing, and since it is our last day, I'm gonna enjoy it fully by strolling on the beach in the night, sitting over on this porch and just reflecting over my life decisions so far and my life decisions in the future. So this guy is asking for a video. Actually, in the whole trip he was doing some Snapchat videos in the Ant Hill Club to show that he has been there at all those places. Quite an interesting idea. Enjoy the view. I'm sure you cannot see much in this video as this is dark, but I would like to point out that here the nightlife seems to be much better than Alappuzha. Okay, is the main one. On the beach we have all the markets, the public is there, they are enjoying. We have the lighthouse. This is the rocky area. You cannot see that. Okay, one of my friend is trying to convince himself to come here for 1 month and do work from home. It is a corona era. Work from home is quite common these days, and it doesn't matter where we are. Okay, work from home can be done from anywhere. His suggestion does not seem so bad. I mean, if we come here for a month and do work from home from here, spend our evenings on the beach with our friends or alone or anybody else, it would be a great experience. I am considering this option. Let's see that.